Hello once again and welcome to another Vivaldi Systems dry cleaning software tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you how to edit a ticket. This video will kind of require you to have a little bit of knowledge on how to write a ticket, so I recommend you guys watch the video that I posted up on YouTube called titled Write a Ticket. I'll add a link to the description below, or you can find it on the website by visiting vivaldi2000.com under online help. Also, obviously, make sure you have Vivaldi dry cleaning software installed on your computer and that a shortcut is placed on your desktop indicated by this icon above as a convenient way of locating your software. Okay, so let's load up Vivaldi so that we have the main menu up and running. Click Not Now. Okay, so now we've entered and this is the main screen. Okay, so after you've written a ticket, and let's say you or the customer wishes to modify or reprint the ticket, you need to enter the Edit Ticket window by clicking Edit Ticket or pressing F4 on your keyboard. So let's do that now. Okay, so after you clicked F4, you're prompted to this new window titled the Ticket Search window. You will notice that the default search is on the right. Right now it's filtered as ticket number, and then you have many different options below. You could enter the ticket number on the text field on the left, or use a different type of search on the drop down arrow on the far top right. Alright, so let's search by something else other than ticket number, such as customer. So you could begin typing the customer's last name, so let's try Carl. And so then immediately it filters by the person's last name, their account number. You can see their account number, their ticket number, the value of the ticket, how much they pay, the date in, date out, the status, and then the tag or tag 2. There are other different options under the drop-down menu, such as account number, obviously the ticket number, which I've done already, the date in or date out, and then the garment numbers. To edit a ticket, you'll notice that there is a status marked either by, let's say, P, which the items have been picked up, R, well, there's an R right there, which stands for ready. Let's try to search for I, probably an I here. Oh, V stands for voided, I for in process, and then D, if we could find some, can't find some right now, but D would stand for the ticket has been delivered. Once you found the ticket that you want, you simply double click on the ticket. So let's try this one by Jim Coat, which is marked as picked up. So in this specific screen, you notice that you're back at the edit screen where you could add notes, remove single items from the ticket. You could change the status. You could change the quantity, the unit price, replace a line, or change the upcharge. To reprint, press the Save and Print button at the bottom on the right. A new screen will appear, which is basically the same window as when you write a ticket. You could print and close, which will print the ticket and then close it afterwards, and then it'll lead you back to the main screen. You could print the tags, or you could just click Close and Save, which is what we're going to do right now. Okay, so I just showed you the basic screen of how to edit a ticket, but only on an item that has been picked up. Let's try to do a ticket that is currently marked as ready under status. So let's go back to the Edit Ticket window. Okay, so this is the ticket search window. So let's try to find one that is on ready status, such as this one. Okay, so you have the capability to remove an item by highlighting it. So let's highlight this one. Two-piece suit. Remove the item by clicking Remove Item on the right. a new screen will pop up just to confirm that if you want to remove the item. So let's click yes, and voila, just an item has been removed. You could also change the quantity by highlighting on another item and click the button that says that it's called quantity on the right. So let's change the pieces from 1 to 2. So let's click on quantity and then replace it with 2. Press enter, and it automatically refreshes. To add a note under the item, which would be located directly under the item, you can highlight on the item by single clicking on it, and then click under notes. Change the description, just add something. So for right now, I'm just gonna think of something. So then once you're done, click save and close, and then it adds the note right underneath. Lastly, to add a new line item, you click on the specified button on the right, this one. As you can see, this screen is familiar as it is the same window as writing a ticket. If you have no knowledge on writing a ticket, you could go and watch the video marked as write a ticket on this channel, and then come back. If you do have some knowledge, you could just ignore what I just said and then continue watching this video. To add a new item onto the ticket, you could simply select the quantity and click on the item using the items below. So for the quantity, let's just choose 2 and then 2 skirts, marked as $4.75. So it adds it to the total down here, and that is how you add a new line. Okay, when you're done, click on print and save at the bottom, or F10 on your keyboard. Okay, once the screen pops up, you have the capability to reprint the ticket, or just click close and save. This will send you back to the main screen, and that is how you edit a ticket.